What if your next road trip felt more like checking into a 5-star luxury apartment on wheels? Get ready, because the 2026 Royal Traverse Motorhome is here to redefine adventure with premium comfort, cutting-edge technology, and everything you need for life on the road. Stay with us until the end because we'll also reveal its expected price. Welcome back to RV TourHub, where we bring you the newest and most exciting motorhomes from around the world. The front of the 2026 Royal Traverse immediately grabs attention with its bold luxury styling, sleek LED headlights, panoramic windshield, chrome accents, and aerodynamic body design. Large power mirrors with integrated cameras improve visibility, while the stylish front grille gives this motorhome a premium presence wherever it travels. Every detail has been designed to combine elegance with functionality. Powering this impressive RV is a modern turbo diesel engine paired with a smooth automatic transmission. It delivers excellent performance for highways, mountain roads, and long-distance travel. Advanced driver assistance features such as adaptive cruise control, lane keeping assist, blind spot monitoring, and emergency braking help make every journey safer and more relaxing. Step inside, and you'll immediately notice the spacious open layout, premium flooring, soft ambient lighting, and high-quality finishes throughout the cabin. Large panoramic windows fill the interior with natural light, creating a bright and welcoming atmosphere. Every corner has been designed to maximize comfort and convenience for families or couples exploring the open road. The kitchen is fully equipped for everyday cooking. You'll find a large refrigerator, microwave, convection oven, induction cooktop, deep stainless steel sink, generous countertop space, and plenty of cabinets for storage. Soft close drawers and modern appliances make meal preparation easy whether you're parked at a campsite or traveling off-grid. The sleeping area offers a peaceful retreat after a long day of adventure. A luxurious queen-size bed with premium mattress, overhead cabinets, bedside reading lights, USB charging ports, and spacious wardrobes provide everything needed for a comfortable night's sleep. Additional convertible sleeping spaces allow the motorhome to accommodate more travelers with ease. The living area is designed for both relaxation and entertainment. Plush reclining sofas, a large dinette, a smart TV, premium sound system, fireplace, and climate control create the perfect place to unwind. Whether you're watching movies, enjoying family meals, or simply relaxing, this space truly feels like home. The bathroom offers residential-level comfort with a spacious walk-in shower, porcelain toilet, stylish vanity, illuminated mirror, modern sink, linen storage, and powerful ventilation. High-quality fixtures and elegant finishes make it feel more like a luxury hotel bathroom than one inside a motorhome. For off-grid adventures, the Royal Traverse comes equipped with roof-mounted solar panels, high-capacity lithium batteries, an advanced inverter, smart energy management system, and a quiet backup generator. This efficient solar system provides dependable power for appliances, lighting, and electronics, allowing you to travel farther with greater independence. At the back, you'll find a large rear storage compartment perfect for camping gear, bicycles, and outdoor equipment. Integrated LED taillights, a rear-view camera, tow hitch, and sleek finishing touches complete the exterior beautifully. The expected starting price of the 2026 Royal Traverse Motorhome is around $420,000, depending on options and customization. If you enjoyed this luxury RV tour, don't forget to like, subscribe, and turn on notifications for more amazing motorhome reviews. Thanks for watching RV TourHub, and we'll see you in the next adventure.